So in this video tutorial, I'm going to be teaching you how to set up a TikTok ads directly to your TikTok DM, which is your TikTok message, right? So if you want to run TikTok ad and you want people to send you a message on your TikTok account, then this video is for you. All you have to do is to watch me as I'll be setting up the campaign so that you can follow the same procedure and replicate the same thing on your end so that you can get the same result just like this one that you're going to see in a moment, right? So I'm not going to be wasting time and I'll be going straight to the ads manager, right? So on the ads manager, you are going to see create button by the left hand side of the screen. Just click on it. So once you click on it, the next thing is for you to select your campaign objective, right? So you know that we have different campaign objectives. However, there is a particular objective that you can actually use to send people directly from your TikTok video ads to your or flyer ads, right, to your TikTok DM. And the option for that is actually this option that says lead generation. So if you click on this lead generation, you can see that collect leads using TikTok instant form, which can increase conversion rate, collect leads, contact information, registration on site, start conversation on WhatsApp, Messenger, TikTok direct messaging. So this is the option that is best. Like this is the option that we intend to use with this particular ad, right? So the next thing that you have to do is to give your campaign a name, right? So for this campaign name, I can say something like TikTok DM lead campaign, lead campaign. Then the next thing is I'm going to include the date, right? Because I actually include it in all my ads so that I actually know when that particular ad is set up, right? So I know how to optimize carefully. So in a scenario whereby you're going to be having similar campaigns, but however, they're going to be more than one, right? So it is important that you put the date or the time. You just need to use something that you can use to differentiate each of these ads from one another. Then the next thing I'm going to be using campaign budget, right? I'm going to be using campaign budget optimization, and for this I'm going to insert 10,000 naira. So this means we are willing to spend 10,000 naira per day, and we are done at this level. All we have to do is to just click on this continue button, right? So once you click on the continue button, then you can proceed to the next stage. Now in this next stage, you see where you can send people to website, blah blah blah, but we don't intend to send people to website, right? So click on this optimization goal, then select the option that says conversations. Show your ads to people that are most likely to start a direct TikTok message conversation. So this is the option that is of interest to us at the moment. So we are going to use this TikTok direct message. But if you want to send people to other messaging apps like maybe WhatsApp or Facebook Messenger, you can use the second option, right? But that is not why we are here. So I'm going to click on this bid strategy. So they're actually giving us an amount to spend per each conversation that we are going to be getting, right? But we don't want this. So let's switch to maximum result instead of what is it called? Instead of the first option that says target cost per result. No, we don't want anything like that. So we just want to have a full control of this ad, right? Then the next thing is we want the ad to start running from tomorrow. Like it's already 11 p.m. here, right? So I want the ad to start running from tomorrow by maybe 4 a.m. tomorrow morning. So by 4 a.m. tomorrow morning, I want the ad to start running. And okay, so I've set it right. So once this ad is published, right, it's not going to start running now, but exactly once it is 4 a.m., it's going to start running and serving to people, even though it's going to be approved before that time, right? But it's not going to show to anyone. Then the next thing is this our audience targeting. So you see this switch to manual targeting, click on it and switch to manual targeting instead of using the automated targeting session that is the default one that is presented to us, right? Then my product, I don't want to target people who are between 18 and 24, and I don't want to target people who are 55 plus, right? And also my product is needed by women, so I'm going to select women here. So you need to know the gender that actually patronizes you the most. So if your product is mostly needed by women, there's no need to target men. And if your product is actually men's product, right, you don't need to target women so that you don't spend your money on unnecessary leads that we never convert. Then the next thing is our interest and behavior, right? The detailed targeting. So for this detailed targeting, you just need to select people who are interested in what you do. Now, let's say we are into beauty, for instance, right? So I'm going to look for audience that has to do with beauty, right? So yeah, you see, we have a beauty and personal care. So I'm going to select this beauty and personal care. However, you can still streamline it further by going with the kind of a beauty care or something that you try to promote. If it is just skincare, right, you can click on this skincare. If it is hair care, oral care, depending on what you're actually doing, right. But for this skincare, you can still go further in this skincare. We have body care, eye care, lip care. Sorry, I say lip care, lip care, hand and foot care, right. So you just make sure to select the ones that are most relevant to your business. But for this, I'm going to leave it on beauty and personal care. Then the next one I'm going to be selecting again, I'm going to come to this purchase intention. Then for this purchase intention, I'm going to select beauty and personal care again. So for this, it means we are targeting people who are ready to buy skincare or personal care products, right? But for the first one, this has to do with people that are interested in personal or beauty care. Then let's look for video interaction of people who are also interested in beauty, whatever again. So for this, we are going to select, I think I saw something, beauty and style. So we are going to select this beauty and style. Then for creator interaction. So for this creator interaction, daily, occupation, drama, that I still want to look for football, fashion and beauty, outdoor. So I'm going to be selecting this fashion and beauty. And the next thing is hashtag, right? So for this hashtag, you just need to maybe select fashion week, single day, green. I think I'm just going to leave it at this level, right? So once you are done with that, a lot of people tell you that, oh, you don't need to stack your interest. That is good, but you can only do that when you have reasonable budget. So if you don't have enough money, please, you can stack as many as possible. But if you have enough money to test, right, you can actually differentiate your detailed targeting. Maybe you can have one detailed targeting for video interaction, have another detailed targeting for, that's another ad set, right, for ad group for interest, have another ad group for creator interaction. So with this, you can easily determine which ad group is actually performing the most, which ad group is actually giving you the best result, right. Then the next thing is our device. You can decide to target based on any kind of device, right. So even Android, iOS, even based on operating system and all, but we are not going to target by that, right. So we're just going to leave that the way it is. So you see that they're asking us to switch to automatic targeting. So this automatic targeting is not really making sense because this is actually done by AI, right? So you need to control who sees your ad and who your ad is actually intended for. So I would not recommend you using this automatic targeting. Then the next thing is placement. So for this placement, we want the ads to only show to people who are on TikTok, right? We don't want it to show to people elsewhere, just only TikTok. So if you're okay with all your settings, right? If you're okay with all your settings at the ad group level, then you can proceed to the, what is it called, to the ad level. Now in this ad group level, before I proceed to the ad level, what you need to know is this, like what is most important to you is this optimization section, right, where we have our goal. So your goal should be conversation. It shouldn't be lead, it shouldn't be website engagement or click. Your goal should be conversation. Like, so TikTok is going to go out there, look for people who are interested in what you do, and also at the same time they are willing to send you a DM on WhatsApp. So you see, sure, at people who are most likely to start direct message conversation. So they're not just going to look out for any random person. However, they are going to look out for someone who is ready or someone who is willing to contact you to start a conversation about how to get your product, right. And remember, we've done our targeting, so they are going to get people who are within the cycle of this targeting option that we have selected, right. And then your optimization location, definitely you need to select a TikTok direct message because that is where you intend to send your clients to, right. So this is all you need to know regarding this level. Now, if you don't understand anything, just put it down in the comment section for me, and I'm going to make sure to look into it and address your concern as soon as possible. So now that we are done with everything on this ad group level, we can actually proceed to continue to the ad level, which is the last stage, right? So in this last stage, this is where we are going to set up our ad and the rest. So the next thing that you are going to do here is see that we have a TikTok account settings must be updated. So if you want to do that, all you have to do is to just click on this update, right? So once you click on update, you just have to accept the terms and condition, and that is all you need to know about this update on a user identity, whatever. But this is not the TikTok account that we intend to use, right? So let's say we want to use this particular TikTok account to run the ad, and you select the TikTok account. Then the next thing is your um messaging, right? So for this messaging, I already have a post here, right? So I'm going to click on preview here to show you guys the test I actually um, wrote myself, right? So you can say, hi, I'm interested in the waist trainer you advertise. Please guide me on how to place my order. Thank you. Now, let's say you want to do something like this, right? It's very simple, so that you don't use the default one that is provided by TikTok, right? So if you don't want to use that one, then there's no option, there's no problem. I'm going to guide you, right? So for where you see this message destination, all you have to do is to click on this edit. So once you click on edit, it's going to be visible to you, and let's just wait for it to load, right? So it's going to be visible to you. See start conversation, the text that you copy, you can click here and paste your text here. So after you've pasted your text, all you have to do is to just come here and click on this confirm button. Then on your end, this may be toggle on and also this may be toggle on. Ensure to put these two off so that you're just only going to have this particular session and you are good to go with that. And also you need to click on this icon, right, to edit the name to something that you can easily remember, most especially when you start running ads and having more than 1 to 3 different products that you are advertising at the same time. So you need to know the message template that is for a particular ad and a message template that is for another ad. So this is very, very important. Then the next thing is to select your creative. So if you want to select your creative, I want to believe that before you start running ads, the first thing that you need to do is to upload your video that you intend to use for that particular campaign on your TikTok account. So I assume that you have already uploaded your video on your TikTok account. So I'm going to click on this ad now. So once I click on this ad, I see creative library and TikTok post. So I'm going to be clicking on this TikTok post. Then you just have to go through the list of products, or sorry, videos that you have here. Now you need to go through the list, right, to see different videos that you have so that you can select the one that is best for, or sorry, the one that you intend to use to run the ad, right? So if you want to do that, is very, let's say you have hundreds of videos on your TikTok account, right, and you're finding it difficult to select the right TikTok video to use. How will I put? Let me try to find a way to structure this so that you understand. Now you see that we have a whole lot of videos here, right? Now you cannot be scrolling until you get to the exact video, right? You need to find a way to get sharply to the video that you intend to use, right? So for this, I'm going to pause the ad, sorry, this particular video. I'm going to pause the video, and then I'm going to grab a video link. So once I get a video link, I'm going to come back to show you guys how to navigate that, right? So I've already gotten a video link, and I'm going to paste the video here, right? So this is the video that we intend to use and run this particular campaign. Now I'm going to pause the video. I don't want it to play, right? I don't want the video to play, so I'm going to pause the video. Then look at this number, right? This video slash this number here is the video ID. So all you have to do is to copy the video ID. So on your end, all you have to do is just to go to your browser, right? Go to your TikTok account, locate the video that you intend to use, then get the link of that video, paste the link in your browser. So once you paste the link in your browser, then click on your browser header to actually edit the code. So once you click to edit the code, right, you are going to get this particular code here. You just need to grab this number. So once you grab the number, come back to your TikTok ads manager, right, and then paste the number. So once you paste the number, oh, I made a mistake, so let me remove this full stop, right? So you see that the video has actually appeared here. So instead of wasting your time scrolling through several videos that you don't even know when you are going to get to the exact video, or maybe you can even scroll past the video sometimes, right? Then the best thing for you to do is just to grab the video ID. So once you grab the video ID, you can be able to locate that particular video that you intend to use for the ad, right? Then the next thing is our call to action is already set to send message, right? So we don't want to like change it, because I think this actually works best, right? So you can use something like send the message, contact us, blah blah blah. But I'm going to leave it on this send the message. Now we are done with everything that has to do with creating TikTok ads that leads directly to TikTok DM. So if you like this video, please subscribe to my channel for more valuable content like this. And if you're having any challenges, feel free to reach out to me. I will guide you. And also, if you want me to set up your ad, there's no problem. Reach out to me in the DM, and I'll still guide you and I'll set up your ad for you and to start generating revenue for you as soon as possible. Thank you, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. So once everything is set, all you have to do is to click on this publisher, and the ad will be published. And once the ad is published, it's going to go into review. And after the review process is completed and approved at the exact time that you have set in your scheduling option, right, the ad will start serving and showing to people accordingly. So thank you guys, and I hope to see you guys in my next video shortly.